Hello, hi, my name is Crypto Nerd, and in this video I'll be covering off the latest market news. Before we get started, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, I'm aiming to hit 100 subscribers this month. We've grown quite a bit in the last 3 weeks since we started the channel. We're almost at 75 subscribers, so if you hit the like and subscribe button, I really appreciate it. So let's have a look at the latest market news. It's not been good. There's been a ton of bad news coming in. We saw the Fed meeting on Thursday with the US announced that they're going to raise the interest rates by 50 basis points. They did announce that they're not actively considering a 75 basis points increase at the moment. The market reacted positively on Wednesday, then crashed on Thursday when the news kind of hit in. It's also worth noting that there's been other bad news in regards to Spanish regulators ordering Binance to stop offering Bitcoin and other crypto derivatives. We saw this in the UK last year with a number of banks like Santander and NatWest all banning Binance in the UK. So obviously this reduces the number of people that can access crypto. In terms of other bad news that's come in, we can see that Bitcoin's had this fifth down week in a row for the first time since 2014, which is pretty shocking. You can see afterwards it kind of plateaued or went up a little bit, shall we say, and then went back down. I don't think this market is like other market conditions, so I don't think we can rely on historical facts. We saw in December 2021 everyone saying that Bitcoin's going to hit 100k. It never did, so I don't think that's going to happen this time around, in my opinion. Also, yesterday we saw large selling pressure. 8 transactions sending 1,292 Bitcoin a piece were just recorded going into Coinbase. Potentially 400 million of sell pressure coming. So yeah, it's just worth noting, and maybe people are trying to short the market. Also, the Bank of England in the UK announced that they expect inflation to continue rising to above 10%. Rising to 1% is the fourth successive increase and the highest level since 2009, where we saw the banks crashed and having to bail us out. We had to bail the economy out. The banks were having to be bailed out. Inflation is so high right now. In the US, the last reported figures were at 8.5% in March. Inflation in the UK is expected to be over 10% by the end of the year. So the Bank of England have said that they expect it to continue rising. Inflation in Turkey right now is over 70%. For me at the moment, I think stocks is a better bet. You can see Netflix share price is trading around $180, all-time high of $700. So you can like a 300% increase potentially from there. eBay stocks almost trading at 50% discount. You got the Etsy stock trading at $80 around that mark. All-time high of 300 again, 4 times increase from top to bottom. Lyft trading around $20, all-time high of 60, so you can see potentially a 3 times increase in that. I think the S&P market, when we see a recovery in that, then we can see a recovery within crypto itself. At the moment, I feel like stocks are close to bottoming out, so they might be a better bet. I personally think Bitcoin needs to hit around the 28k mark, which was the all-time low last year. Same with Ethereum, they need to drop below those levels before we might see a bull run coming. Let me know your comments below in the section below what you think is going to happen. It really does annoy me going on Twitter seeing the usual FUD. Oh, we're in a bull market. We haven't been in a bull market since December, or at least my portfolio is not showing that. I don't know about anyone else's. Also, I think some good advice I was given in the past is why not sell your crypto? If you think the price is going to drop lower and considerably lower, if you think it's going to drop 50% lower than it is right now, why not sell it and buy it at a cheaper rate rather than pumping more money in and potentially losing more of your money? That's something that I've never understand why people say keep buying the dip and it keeps dipping. Why not sell your current coins and buy more coins? That's a bit of advice for myself. Obviously, it's not financial advice. I will say I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Let me know your comments below, and hopefully I'll be dropping some more content in the coming days.